the pain's just part of getting old and there's no need to really focus on it. Just start doing a little bit less, do safer exercises, do lighter weights in order to, kind of manage that pain and not put added stress on the joints. How would you respond to that patient? It's just like, there's no need for me to really go on with this regenerative medicine because I'm just getting old.
I just give you an example of a patient that I had a long time ago. Had seen some other regenerative people out in the Midwest, and then came to see me for some back issues and foot issues. And this is like a retired healthcare professional. And at this point, by the time I saw him, he was I don't even know how old he is now, but he was at least in his early 80s at the time, maybe around 80, 81. And he wanted to actually functionally be the best he could. And so this guy was kite surfing. Right. So this guy's kite surfing, and he's like in his 80s, and he was just very physically active kind of guy. And so the foot was slowing him down, his back was slowing him down. And once he got that better, he was able to resume those activities. So just trying to give you that example. There are a lot of people out there who want to be like that because, look, we don't know when we're going to go, but we want to be able to live our life to the fullest for whatever time we have and not spend it running around to go seeing doctors and running up healthcare bills and not enjoying our life or whatnot. So the thing is, I would just be as proactive as I could about all of this. So granted, that is maybe a little bit of like a functional weight training kind of thing where you're actually trying to build up things. But also if there's that limitation of chronic pain outside of like the biceps tendon, maybe there are other issues within that shoulder that we don't know about. That's where the regenerative process could actually be quite helpful. And so that can help you push past those limitations. Especially as we get older, we want to make sure we maintain that muscle mass. We're not getting into the being very frail and then falling and having more metabolic dysfunction because the muscles are very metabolically active too as well. So I think all of that's really important. So just being proactive, I think, is really important.
We're talking regenerative medicine, but is there also a sense of progenerative medicine where we're being a bit more proactive, hitting on some of the stuff before the problems arise?
Well, that's what we want to do, right? So I think one of the conundrums that a lot of people fall into is like, okay, I got this, and it's a little bit better now. I feel much better. The pain point is not quite there as much as it used to be. So we're gonna let it go, and then once it flares up again, maybe we'll address it, and then this maybe of kicking the can down the line constantly and not changing anything that we were doing. That's where you get into the parts where things become more detrimental. So, definitely, the younger you are and the more opportunity you have to maintain your physical self, diet, nutrition, exercise, sleep, those are all really important. Working on those on a frequent basis, because that's going to help you stay out of getting any injections or getting any surgeries or landing in the hospital, God forbid.